Okay, back at you again with another video. I just want to highlight a few things that happened throughout the pandemic with regards to persons doing repairs for themselves, um, particularly on the iPhone 6s model, where you would have the filters being bloomed out. So, if you look under the microscope, yeah, so this is literally how it came. So FL 2024, right, which is a filter that helps produce backlight, right, for the second pin. Let me just double check just to make sure I don't want to be providing false information. So let me guide you along. Is it second filter? Yes, so it's a second filter, and the line needs to produce 0.415, and it is not producing that. If you watch properly, it actually goes to 4020. Right. Simple fix for this is just look for the backlight, and you need to have a soldering station. That's one. You can use hot air, but I tend not to use hot air because you use it too hot, you might float components on the opposite side of the board. And plus, this is a cheap repair. FL 2024. Simple. Take out the filter, clean up the area. Let's try to dig out this gunk. What I typically try to do is just add a little bit of flux. With some low temp soda, which makes my life 100% easier. Dab. And now I shall find my replacement filter and replace it with a new one. And that is basically it. Stack this in corner here. Make sure it's all the way down. Time to just test it. And power on. And there we have it. Backlight is there. Yep. Touch is working, everything is working fine.